1, 2, 3. Listen.
Are you breaking the mystery around Black Rock for people? Are you telling them about?
Yeah, they're loving it. You know, this Black Rock concentrated wort is coming from the Space Brewing, local brewing, and this is what you can achieve by brewing it at home by yourself. And a lot of people are asking to say, seriously? And I say, yeah, it is.
You guys are not really making beer. And you're the head brewer here, so I'm going to put you on the spot with this one. People are drinking your beers, but they're not buying your beer. Steve, how does it work?
No, we're showcasing beers today, but beers from the ingredients that we produce.
What's number one?
Hashtag Mosaic. It's a APA, whirlpool hopped with Mosaic, and it has Mosaic dry hopping on 2 occasions. So,
I don't have a whirlpool at home, and when I do have a whirlpool at home, I'm not going to use it for beer.
You can skip that step. You can just go through the dry hopping exercise in fermenter. It's just another layer of complexity and showcasing that particular hop. So it's a single hop APA.
This is good. Mosaic's a nice one, but you had something very interesting here which I didn't know about, which is where's the milkshake? Mango milkshake.
Mango milkshake. Yep. So
is that a beer?
A milkshake IPA. It has we've got dry hopped with Mosaic and Eldorado. We've got some vanilla in there, and we've also got some mango puree to really match the Mosaic mango and amplify it up even more, and gives it some body as well.
So we can put all kinds of stuff in your beer. It's not just trying to stick to the basics. The Reinate's gebod, because we're not bound by any of that. No. So you can do interesting things.
We've got a range of flavours to suit any occasion.
Most of these craft brewers out there are all saying this is black magic. We're making our own beer. We don't want people to know the recipes. It's all special. And you guys are exposing that. I mean, this is like just chuck in a can, a little bit of yeast, leave it for a few days, and you got yourself some great beer. Is that not detracting from the quality?
Hell no. We're saying this is great beer, and the samples are giving out. People are saying, wow, this is magic.
Black Rock, fantastic. Fantastic. I use a lot of their brewing kits.
Would you make it yourself?
I probably, actually, I wouldn't mind trying to make a mixed cider.
If you'd like more of that, where would you buy it?
Anywhere. I love this. This is really, I've only had one sip and I love it.
I have some news for you.
Yeah?
You can't buy that.
I can't.
You cannot buy it.
That's really sad.
You have the opportunity to make it yourself. These guys will help you. Would you make your own cider or beer? Why?
Because it's more cost effective.
There you go. I like the way you're thinking. The question is it hard to do it?
I don't know, because I've never done it before.
But Black Rock is making it a little easier.
Oh, exactly. Yeah. Like, you can start out and build your confidence just making something that's really easy, and then get better at it and get more and more addicted to brewing. Like
and beer. And beer. Lots and lots of beer. But you don't only do beer. You do some ciders too, though?
Yeah, of course. And everyone's going for the cider today because it's so nice. The jungle juice is so popular and very delicious, and the sour actually is really good too.
Your beers are popular. Did you expect that, Brendan?
I think after the success we've had in the last couple of places at Biavana and here last year, it's definitely been growing, but this has been definitely the biggest turnout we've had so far. People are coming and finding us from far away.
Another round of applause for our winner, yeah!
Why homebrewing? Why are you doing homebrewing?
Well, I come from a small town and you can't really buy good beer there, so I thought, why not start doing it yourself? And this is my boyfriend here, and a couple of years ago I decided that maybe I'll buy him a homebrewing kit, and so we did, and the two of us both got into it.
The secret is just quality ingredients, right?
Why would I be able to do something with Black Rock that I wouldn't be able to do myself?
Well, for a start, Black Rock uses the finest ingredients to make a liquid malt extract. So we're sourcing raw materials from mostly around New Zealand, and that's of the best quality, and we're putting together with the best kit.
Now, people are making beer in what kind of ways? Because people always say, yeah, you need gear, you need fermenters and you need kegerators. Do I need to buy all this stuff?
No, you don't. There's always a starting point for everything, and starting point we recommend is just standard plastic barrel fermenter. All the beers brewed today have used that equipment. You can scale up to the more fancy stainless steel stuff, but ultimately you will achieve similar results.
We know you don't have to use fancy equipment. You can do it with your awesome ingredients. How am I going to get help? Who's going to help me do this job? Where can I find instructions?
All the brews today we're serving at the festival are all available online as of this morning, and previous ones we've done at Beervana and at Dunedin Craft Beer Festival last year. A great place to start is the Black Rock website.
In addition to that, Hendrik, as well, we have our Black Rock Home-Brewing Facebook page, and we also have a Black Rock Home-Brewing private group page where brewers can join and start a forum on talking to each other about what's happening with their brew, getting ideas. We jump on there and help out with advice as well, and it's a real community where brewers help each other to make the best beers possible from our product.
We've been on that one, and what we like about your forum is it doesn't matter what gear or kit I use, there's folks out there that'll help me, that'll give me some tips on how to do it, and we can do it fairly inexpensively. And I think, you know, the fact that you guys have quality, you make it easy, you've got good ingredients, we know that's the cheapest way for us to get New Zealand beer into North America. And we're pretty proud of that. We're proud to know you. Thanks for sharing it with us.